Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change display language on Twitter or X.com. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change display language on Twitter or X.com, go to your browser and browse x.com, and on left pane click on more icon here and then scroll down. You will find the last option, settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and under settings the first option is your account. Click on your account and then go to account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm, and then scroll down. You'll find here languages. Click on languages and you will find the first option, display language. You can change display language from the drop down menu here. Click on display language and click on the drop down and change the language from here. I am changing the language Bangla, and now click on save. The display language has been changed in my Twitter or X.com. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.